Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Selenium using Visual Studio. First step is we need to create a new project. A console app will be fine for this. I'm going to call it something useful like Selenium Demo so that we can find it again later, and just create the project as normal. To install Selenium, we use NuGets. To install a NuGet, go to the Solution Explorer, find the name of your project, right-click on that name, select Manage NuGet Packages, and when the package manager loads, there will be three tabs. We want to make sure that Browse is selected. In this case, it already is. And within Browse, we click on the search bar and search for Selenium. The first NuGet which I need to install is Selenium. Another very useful NuGet which I'm going to install is Selenium Support. This provides extension methods that will allow me to interact with things like drop-down lists on web pages. Finally, I'm going to install selenium.chrome.webdriver. This will allow me to run Selenium tests, automated browser tests which I have designed, within the Google Chrome browser.